It has been 36 years since the Indian military carried out a horrifying massacre at the Jaffna hospital in the city of Jaffna, Sri Lanka on 21st October 1987. According to the eyewitnesses' account cited by the Tamil Guardian, Indian troops systematically conducted the massacre within the hospital premises, resulting in the tragic deaths of 47 innocent Tamil patients and 21 doctors, all of whom were ruthlessly killed. In 2008, the Sri Lankan government officially categorized the Jaffna massacre as a grave crime against the humanity. Prior to this event in 1987, the Indian military had been involved in similar incidents such as the killing of 64 civilians, 40 civilians in 1988 and over 40 innocent individuals in 1989. The Tamil community, in response to these brutal actions, referred to the Indian peacekeeping force as the Indian People Killing Force. These atrocities ignited a wave of anger, leading the Tamil people to seek retribution and ultimately compelling the Indian military to withdraw from the country. In 1991, the individual who attempted to assassinate Rajiv Gandhi was Kallavani Rajaratnam, who was of the Tamil descent and had been gang raped by the Indian military, Tamil Guardian reports. Tamil Guardian also reported that the Indian military's involvement in Sri Lanka resulted in severe human rights violations, including incidents of looting, massacres, and various social injustices, leaving a lasting scar on their reputation.